Welcome to our KB Munchkins! Scary Munchkins. So we are going to make the pumpkin spices. But it's not going to be spicy. We can also do the skull for the skull spices. So the other day we made chocolate cocoa one, and the other day, and hope you like that video too, because this is the part 2. So let's get started. Mine's the pumpkin. And there is butter, baking powder, and brown sugar, and optional chia. It's not chia. Brianna, what is this? Can you say so? What's this? What's this? Okay, and this is cinnamon. What is this, Brianna? What is this? Butter. What is this? Mint. I don't know how to say it. What is this? Say flour. It's not a flower. That is pink, blue, purple, yellow. We'll put the dry ingredients first. So, flour first. 2 cups of flour. Okay, let's put the flour in. Me too. Okay, help me. Second one. My turn for the cinnamon. Okay, I'm gonna do the salt. Now do the white sugar. Now we'll mix it up. No. Now we'll mix it up and add it to some birthday cakes. Then we'll shove it in the oven. Then we'll watch it bake. Then we'll add on the icing and the candles too. And then we will have pancakes. I'm going to crack 4 eggs. There's 1. Let me help you. There's 2. Just 2 more. Coming out. There's 1. Get it out. Yeah, let's put them in. Let's beat them. I will beat you, egg yolks. I will win. They're yellow. Okay. Pumpkin. Fresh pumpkin. Looks like apple pie. Okay. the wet ingredients into the dry. Take it out. And put it in the milk. Okay, let's mix it. Chia seeds. Now we are going to make the mini waffle. But it's not going to be small like the mini machine. We're going to make the waffle now. So we will transfer this one into the pincher. Okay, I'm going to make the pumpkin orange with food coloring. We're gonna wait and see and make it orange. Alright. Ready? Ready? No, it's not. First this.
Okay, let's see.
It's ready. Looks so good, but we have to put mine orange. I want to make mine orange.
Nice.
Alright, we're done. So guys, we're gonna do the experiment making the pumpkin orange. So we need red and yellow. Yummy! To make orange. So that looks like Halloween pumpkin. The pumpkin orange with food coloring. Yellow and red, please. I need 5 yellows and 1 red. First, yellow. Yellow. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then so we're going to make the orange color more darker. Mix it up and add it to some waffles. Then we'll shove it in your oven. Then we'll watch yours bake. So we'll add on the icing and the orange pumpkins too. Today is Halloween cake. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you. Can you open mine?
Hey, it's done.
Why are you so great at this? How are you so great at this? It's not much different color. the same like yesterday. Like
No.
spices. Yummy. And don't forget to subscribe and also give a thumbs up. For Kristen and Brianna Munchkin. Want some, everyone? Don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ingredients are, what is this, Brianna? Soup. No. Welcome to our baby Munchkin. Bye-bye.
Don't forget.
Clap.